Alright, guys, so we are back again to the 2014 Ford Focus SE with a 2.0 liter. This time, we are addressing the code fault that I had about a week or 2 weeks ago that had to be related to my O2 sensor that was replaced about a week ago, too. So what happened is that because the oxygen sensor was not functioning correctly, it sent another code forcing my valve, purge valve to go out. And believe it or not, I do have a video about this one. Specifically, this part being replaced about a year ago. So for me, it's kind of weird that the same part went out nearly a year ago and I had to replace it again. But remember, this is a time where Ford was having issues with these cars, especially in this model, this 2014 Ford Focus. This is one of the notorious parts that do go out a lot on this car, only because the fact is that they're made out of plastic and it's not like the metal base or aluminum base. And this is electronically controlled, which makes it more harder to, I don't know, let's say work better. Because if it would be like a pressure valve or something like that in that kind of style and that kind of category where the air pushes the valve to close and open, then these wouldn't be filling, but because it's electronically controlled, the computer will send the signal to the purge valve to open and close. And when this fails, electronically it sends the code telling you, hey, I broke down again, you need to replace me, and if you don't replace me, you're gonna have more issues than you already have. And another notorious part for this car to go out are the actuators. That's B, and then bottom is the A and B actuators for these transmissions to go out really. I'm not gonna say really often, but they do go out. At least try to maintain your car in that area because it will go out. Mine were replaced by the dealership, so I'm good. Uh, Another notorious part for this car going out is what other part that I saw was going out? Oh yeah, I did a quick fix on mine, you know, but I'm already ordered it. It's already in process to be here soon. But yeah, another notorious part to go out on the Ford Focus, which is the reservoir tank. That is my fix. So I mean, it works. It holds the water. Sometimes when pressure builds up, it leaks a little bit, but other than that, it's still good. I'm not overheating, so you guys don't worry about it. It's all good. Uh, Other than that, I don't think besides the reservoir tank, besides the purge valve and the transmissions actuators, I think those are the only major issues. I haven't heard anything from the 2.0s that they have an issue with, I don't know, head failings or anything else. But for my car and my part, for almost owning it for like 2 years now, I haven't had an issue at all. I mean, my car barely has, I think, 81,000 miles, if I'm not wrong, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, another thing that I did replace on my car was about a year ago too, was the battery. I had to replace the battery. My battery did die. It was a factory one. So yes, I can't believe it lasted that long, but it did. Oh, there you go. Click, click, clack. Alright guys, so we're gonna get to the purge valve. It's pretty simple thing, not a You don't need, pretty much you don't even require tools, because if you look at these, so you pretty much press the tabs. Once you press the tabs, yeah, once you press the tabs, it should go out, should pretty much come loose. And I don't really think I need a bracket. Yep, I don't need a bracket, but I bought this at AutoZone for like 60 something dollars. I mean, it's still not bad for $60. Put it like that, $60 and change. Still not bad, but now, if you think about it, if you're gonna be replacing that part every year, it's like, okay, why I'm having the same issues over and over. You gotta understand. Simple facts are that you have your secondary fuel pump here.